my role today is the general evaluator of the meeting, and I would be evaluating the meeting from start to end. So the meeting started on time. It started at 4:30, and the room was prepared very well. You can see the banners are there, everything is there. So starting off with Sergeant at Arms, the mission were read properly, and the introduction of President was in a good way. And the only thing which I found which can be improved is like when we are reading the mission, like we can avoid reading from mobile, so it will be more interactive. And the engagement at the start was awesome. Like we all felt like let's continue this dancing and singing, and let's be in that moment only. So it was a great start. Coming to the president, the presiding officer, Toastmaster Ryan. The meeting number 273, you told the meeting number, all dignitaries were welcome, guests were asked them to introduce themselves. You have briefed about Toastmasters, the entire thing, you have given the data, which is very meaningful. Pathways were introduced in a good way. And the only thing is like there were some spot questions and it went well. If it didn't, then it could have been, you could have tried out maybe. Even I felt if you could have called me, maybe I would have been in a table topic situation. Okay, and so it was an awesome start. Like you have done your role and you have introduced Toastmaster of the Day in a good way. And I'll come to you, I think, in the last. And then we have Wordmaster, Toastmaster Vinisha, frolicsome. My God, even I was not able to catch that word even till the last. Like, what's that meaning? Like playful and all. So it was wonderful word, and it relates to like your idiom. It was relatable to what you have given in the last year of Christmas. So kudos to you. I think yeah. And then we had two speeches. Wenzel, salute you, man. You were awesome. I was like goosebumps when you came and then you started, and then seeing of your journey. I don't want to comment, but it's like it was really inspiring speech. And then Toastmaster Lauren, I think it was not a free speech. No, we could have paid for this speech because so many people here, they do not know much about these things, but many of my friends, even they do, they like, in India there are so much gambling going on, people are taking money for recruitment, so it was not like normal thing, it was way beyond, like for people like us who are in job seekers, so they understand like how it is. Kudos to you. Although you have been, you both have been evaluated, so I'll not go in that detailed part. And then we had an education session on evaluation, which I am giving right now. Two of our evaluators have already given. I just want to highlight few points which were being highlighted by Toastmaster Wrestling. It's like in competition and club competition, timing is the main thing. What she has told, even if you are overshooting half a second or 1 second, you're gone. So we need to respect time. That is the most important thing. And recommendation, she has pointed out the magical number. You can go around from 1 to 3. Don't overshoot from 3 because you have to do some supportive statement which will not be good. So the magical number, what she told, it's 2. We can go every time with 2 positive recommendations. And then after this we had evaluation sessions by none other than DTM Chandresh, and the evaluation was not less than perfect. You started off by giving commendations. You have given 2 commendations. I really wanted to point out this mic point which you have told initially, because it was a little bit not helpful for the speaker also, because he was carrying the mic, he was not able to use his entire body perfectly. It could have been on his shirt, or maybe like we could have been better on the stage. And the last, you did encouragement, that was really well. Coming to Toastmaster Avil, a great man in doing evaluation. So Avil has given encouragement in the start, like DTM Chandresh has given in the last, and that was his own charisma of starting off with evaluations. He has given 3 recommendations with all superlative points, and it's very commendable. And then Dr. Abby. Yeah, I do feel like if you have given grammarian after me, you could have gone some more things to say, but it's fine. You talked about the importance of grammar in public speaking. That's really commendable. Your comments were real, clear, audible, awesome, and you did comment on the word of the day, which is required. Only thing is, you told bad usage. It should be not so good usage, which was told to me by I'm just passing on. Coming to the star of the evening, the showstopper of our annual end event, Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Natasha, you were standing ovation for maiden Toastmaster of the day. And she was really innovative in her own way. My God, that countries, even now I'm confused what were those countries and how it was those countries, but you were awesome. You briefly described everything from starting to end, like speech title, introduction. There were limitations, like which was already highlighted, but in that also you did really well. Only one thing is, like, which DTM Chandresh also pointed out, like whenever anyone is coming to a speech, we should shake hand and then we can ask them like to start or do something. That was great, which we can do in physical meetings. And you did a lot of research. I think you spent a lot of time in making us understand and feel like, because the entire theme was unrelatable to me, and you briefed initially like how you made it crystal clear in, I think, everyone's mind, like how the theme would go. We have overshooted time, but I think we have covered everything. And one last comment for this event, it was 100% engaging. Okay, kudos to you. Thank you so much.